This is quite an odd HGA, in case you're in a team in which layout artists prefer to do the asset layout in Blender or Maya. However, the final assembly scene for rendering is in Houdini. It might be just useful for you. Let's see how it works. In Houdini, you'll have the high resolution model here. I just used the rubbertoy, but you can use anything. Trees, clouds, humans, all sorts of props. Then Polyreduce it as low as possible, and then pack it. This step is important. Finally, export to Alembic or any format you want. Right now, I'm just gonna save it to desktop for convenient purpose. In Blender or Maya, load the low resolution model which is exported. From here, your layout artist can animate or do the layout however they want. I already prepared a more effort scene that you saw at the beginning. After finishing the layout, export this sequence in Alembic format. Back in Houdini, load the sequences we just cached. Drop down a match layout. First input the full geos, second input the Alembic. Done! Also, you can still change the layout inside Houdini. Some people might be wondering, why would you need to do all of this when you can export the whole scene into one Alembic file? Well, if you ever had to deal with the Alembic cache file of high resolution geometries, especially ones with animation, to put it lightly, it's quite an uncomfortable experience, and this does give you an option to mitigate that. I only recommend you guys to use this if you need to do very precise and manual layout for your assets. It's an open HGA, so you can dive inside to change it, and of course you can get it for free with the link in the description.